Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Having a tree-like appearance, the jade plant or Crassula ovata is a popular indoor house plant that needs very minimum care in order to survive and thrive. Not only this, but the plant also has a great importance in Feng Shui. This evergreen succulent is regarded as the symbol of good luck, fortune, and prosperity. Not only this, jade plants live for a very long time. Jade plants are often being passed down from generation to generation and reaching heights of 3 feet or more when grown indoors. If you have watched our previous jade plant video, in there we have showed that we had done hard pruning to the jade plant. It was uploaded about 3 to 4 months ago. Today, I will tell you about before entering the winter season, how do we take care of jade plant. And also I will tell you how to propagate new plant from only cutting the branch of the plant. Choose a stem that would be 2 to 3 inches for propagation. After cutting, allow it to sit for several days in a warm place. Then you must simply place the stem cutting on the soil. After 2 to 3 weeks, you can notice that the stem has some roots. That time you can just repot it into another final pot. Jade plants don't mind being root bound in a small pot. So you can choose a small pot without any worries. My mom doesn't have any idea about how to plant bonsai, but she still tried to give the jade plant a bonsai look by giving it some stones. Repot young jade plants once every 2 to 3 years to encourage growth. With older jade, repot once every 4 to 5 years or as necessary. I have told you earlier also that jade plants do not need much care. Still, there are some points that you need to remember about jade plants. First, I'll say about fertilizing. Jade plants don't require high levels of nutrients and should be fed sparingly. My mom gives little amount of kitchen waste compost every 2 to 3 months interval. Now I will tell about how much sunlight jade plants need. Jade plants should receive at least 6 hours of bright light each day. Jade plants that are kept in low light can become leggy and top heavy. So keep your jade plant pot in bright sunny area. Now let's talk about watering. Watering is very important for jade plant. Improper watering is the number one issue that most people experience with their jade plants. Water jade plants deeply, then wait until the soil has mostly dried out before watering it again. Winter season is a dormancy period, so make sure to water the plant only when it's needed. Now I will talk about pest cure. Mealybug or powdery mildew is the most common pest for jade plant. And whenever the pests attack your jade plant, simply cut the stem and throw it away. Now I will talk about some other issues of jade plant. Root rot, which is caused by excessive moisture in the soil. Wrinkled leaves, that are signs of a thirsty plant. So you just need deeper watering. The last one is leaf drop, which is a symptom of watering issues. So water your jade plant carefully. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all our other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.